crispy potato cakes. Ingredients: 4 medium russet potatoes, peeled and grated. Small onion, grated. 2 large eggs, lightly beaten. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 TSP baking powder. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup vegetable oil for frying. Sour cream optional. Directions: after grating the potatoes, squeeze out as much liquid as possible using a clean kitchen towel. In a large bowl, combine the grated potatoes, grated onion, eggs, flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper. Stir well to ensure the mixture is evenly combined. Pour the vegetable oil into a large skillet and heat it over medium heat. Scoop about 2 tablespoons of the potato mixture for each pancake, flattening them slightly with a spatula. Fry in batches, cooking each side for about 3-4 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Pro tip: for an extra burst of flavor, try adding a pinch of garlic powder or even some shredded cheese to the batter before frying. This little twist adds even more crispiness and cheesy goodness. Thank you for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Go ahead and tap that notification bell so you know when the next new recipe drops.